Hello everyone, this is Kamakshi Pandey. Me and my group are going to demonstrate you about what are impurities in a solid. So firstly, I'll start off introducing you to impurities in solids. Although the crystalline solids have short range as well as long range in the arrangement of their constituent particles, yet the solids and or the crystals are not perfect. They have impurities present in it. Basically, these impurities are of two types: point defects and line defects. Point defects. Point defects are the irregularities or deviations from ideal arrangement around a point or an atom in a crystalline substance. Whereas the line defects are the irregularities or deviations from ideal arrangement in entire row of lattice point. These irregularities are called crystal defects. Now the group members will tell you about the types of point defects.
Now, types of point defects. Point defects can be classified into three types: stoichiometric defect, impurity defect, and non stoichiometric defect. First is stoichiometric defect. It is the point defect that do not disturb the stoichiometry of the solid. It is also known as intrinsic or thermodynamic defect. It includes different type of defects like vacancy defect. When some of the lattice sites are vacant, then the crystal is said to have the vacancy defect. This is the diagram of a crystal in which two squares are there, which shows the lattice sites are vacant. This results in a decrease in density of the substance. This defect can also develop when a substance is heated. Thank you.
Hello to everyone, my name is Member here to tell you about Frankel defect. Frankel defect is a type of defect which fall under the category of stoichiometric defect. In this defect, we can say that a particular type of ion is missing from their respective places and gain some other interstitial spaces within the same solid. It does not affect the electrical neutrality of the solid. Some of the necessary conditions of Frankel defect are the side difference between cation and anion should be very large and the coordination number should be very low. Now with the help of diagram, I will try to explain you in detail. As in this solid, we can say that cation A is missing from its initial position. And in this solid, we can say that cation Az is missing from its initial position.
Hello, myself Evan Singh, and I am here to tell you about impurity defect. The point defect which is arised by adding an impurity to a solid, or we can say the defect in which some of constituent particles are displaced by. Now I will show you an example on impurity defect. In this solid, when SrCl2 is mixed with molten NaCl, some of lattice point is occupied by Sr2 positive and double of Na positive ion is displaced.